Welcome to Metro News, lifeline of your city. So today's topic is on COVID-19. The Serum Institute of India is in Pune, is sitting on over 55 million doses of Covishield and has temporarily halted production of more because there is no offtake from the government, according to sources familiar with the matter. And this delay persists despite a need for doses going even by the government's own goal of administrating 3.33 million per day. Though the company has refused to comment on this matter, sources say the Confederation of Indian Industry, that is CII, is furiously lobbying the government to pick up the unused Covishield stock and put it to better use. The government needs to get out of the way instead of trying to control all aspects of the vaccination program. A CII sources said just as they delayed testing at the start of the pandemic by insisting no private establishments could conduct tests, they are messing up the vaccine rollout with excessive micromanagement. Sources in the Maharashtra government, which was expecting more doses, were non-committal about the lack of availability, even though SII is based in Pune. They also refused to share further details. Meanwhile, 2 million doses of Covishield left for Brazil last week as part of an export consignment. On January 3, 2021, the Drug Controller Journal of India, that is DCGI, Dr. V.V. Somania, approved two vaccine candidates, Covaxin and Covishield, for restricted use in emergency conditions. The Central Drug Standards Control Organization, that is CDSCO, which the DCGI head simultaneously issued the corresponding license forms to the candidates. Manufacturers Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute respectively, authorizing them to produce doses for the government's use. Also, the Government of India has designated the public sector HLL Lifecare Ltd to procure vaccine doses from the companies for distribution through the government's vaccination drive, in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off on January 16. HLL has thus far purchased 11 million doses of Covishield from Serum Institute of at Rs 200 per doses and 3.85 million doses at Rs 295 per doses and 1.65 million doses at no cost of Covaxin from Bharat Biotech. Serum Institute CEO Adar Poonawalla had said in November 2020 that Covishield wouldn't be able in pharmacy or in the private market before March 2021. And that the government had estimated it would purchase 300 to 400 million doses by July. Production plans were made keeping in mind this schedule. While some experts have suggested open market sales by Serum Institute might be one way to get around the government's sluggish vaccination program, the rules as they stand don't permit this for at least the next few months. Serum Institute is currently conducting breeding trials in India for Covishield, and they conclude in March, since Covishield is a rebranded version of a vaccine candidate whose phase 3 clinical trials were conducted abroad. The CDSCO required Serum Institute to conduct a bridging trial in India to ascertain Covishield's and safety in an Indian population. These trials enrolled 1,600 volunteers and began on August 24, 2020. These trials enrolled 1,600 volunteers and began on August 24, 2020. The trial's official registration specifies a duration of 7 months, that is until March 24, 2021. I believe that the new clinical trial rules have been short-circuited and politics has ignored science and the law, and nothing gives me any assurance that it won't happen again. Serum Institute agreement with AstraZeneca, the original maker of the vaccine candidate that Covishield is derived from, prevents the company from exporting Covishield doses to the economically developed world. However, The government of India has been conducting vaccine diplomacy with COVID shield doses by either selling to other governments or sending them free of cost for goodwill.